my studio. We're going to have some more fun. We're going to sort of use that technique I used last time, and we're going to expand. We're going to go on bigger. And unlike my normal, I've put some outline lines on here because I have a concept in my head, which is probably a dangerous thing. We're going to try and make that concept show. Now, normally I just wing this stuff. When I have a concept in my head, sometimes it goes rather badly. So we'll see how this goes. So again, I've got my palette knife, and the tube colors we're going to use to get us started are my M. Graham & Company in Alizarin Crimson and Prussian Blue. And then in my Winsor Newton Cotman, I've got Dioxizine Purple and Ultramarine Blue. And those are the colors we're going to use on the palette knife, similar to last time. And we're going to see how this goes. Now I've got a paper towel handy because I'm going to do some blotting as we go, because there's certain areas I don't want the running to stay. But I'll explain that as we go. So again, first step is to put some color on the palette knife. So we have this nice bloppy palette knife. And again, we're just going to go right along our horizon line here and blop in our colors. All right, we're going to get our sprayer. And again, I've got the extra paper towel down below. I'll make sure that's where you can see it. Let's see, can you see? Yes, I think you can see. I'll try and tilt it so you can see better. All right, and we're just going to spray, spray, spray. Okay, I'm going to give a little drying to this end, and then we're going to flip. Okay, now that I've dried it some, we're going to, of course, flip it around and spray the other end. Okay, for the rest of this, we're going to speed this up, and I'll give you little captions or something to say what's going on. And I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to put some music on for you, and we'll get this project completed. Now, because I know some of these areas I do not want the drip look, I'm going to blot out some of it now to make it easier to paint over those sections later. call that done. That's about as good as it's going to get. All right, let me let this dry. Okay, we have the final dry results. I'm really happy with this. So we have our upper sky and our moon and our mountains and our water with the mountain reflection. Reflection and our little tree. I think it came out pretty well. I'm enjoying playing with this reflection. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please follow along the links in the description box to see everyone in the train tonight. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone, and thank you so much for being here.